The Kargil War was fought between May-July 1999, when Pakistan, through the Northern Light Infantry and local fighters, occupied key Indian posts in Kargil Dras sector. India launched large-scale operations to reclaim these peaks, despite Pakistan not officially declaring war, nor deploying its full air or artillery power. Why Pakistan didn't go full-scale? Despite battlefield advantages, Pakistan exercised strategic restraint. No PAF involvement to avoid escalation. Artillery fire was limited and covert used selectively, aimed to keep conflict below nuclear threshold and deny formal war status. Avoided international backlash post-1998 nuclear tests. Why India still suffered heavily. Despite Pakistan's restraint, India endured 527 confirmed military deaths because Pakistan held higher ground, forcing Indian soldiers into exposed uphill combat. Indian forces were initially unprepared for high-altitude warfare. Poor early intelligence and misjudgment delayed India's response. Political limits meant India avoided crossing LOC, allowing Pakistan to hold supply lines. Repeating the mistake. Strategic miscalculations of 2019 and 2025. 2019, the Balakot Bluff. India claimed a surgical strike deep inside Pakistani territory after the Pulwama attack. Despite massive media projection, no confirmed militant targets were hit. Pakistan responded within 24 hours, downing an Indian MiG-21 and capturing pilot Abhinandan. It was a clear signal of Pakistan's aerial parity and rapid response capability. 2025, the Pahalgam escalation, June 2025. India repeated its miscalculated adventurism after the Pahalgam incident. Launched an alleged punitive strike across the LOC, targeting what it claimed were terror camps. Evidence suggests the targets were symbolic and mostly inactive, mirroring Kargil's posturing mistakes. Pakistan responded with countermeasures and diplomatic exposure, asserting its position without open war. India's move backfired diplomatically, with questions raised about its intelligence credibility, much like in Kargil. Strategic pattern of misjudgment. India's leadership has shown a recurring underestimation of Pakistan's military will and diplomatic resilience, testing Pakistan's resolve without anticipating retaliation, using media warfare over military prudence, sacrificing operational clarity for political optics. These missteps echo the Kargil blueprint, assuming Pakistan won't respond, and when it does, India scrambles for control while absorbing damage. Core lessons, still ignored. Lesson from Kargil, ignored in 2019-2025. Terrain defines advantage. Pahalgam strikes were terrain-irrelevant propaganda. Restraint doesn't equal weakness. Pakistan's measured responses were read as fear. Don't escalate without intelligence. Superiority 2019-2025 lacked accurate intel and military clarity. Avoid symbolic targeting. Both surgical strikes hit PR goals, not strategic ones. War isn't won by optics. India focused on TV ratings, not battlefield realism.